In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Loop component. If you've ever shared a Loop component and now need to remove it, maybe it's outdated or no longer needed, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it cleanly so it disappears for everyone who has access. Start by opening the Microsoft Loop website in your browser. On the landing page, click Get Started with Loop. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work or school account so you see the correct content and permissions. Once the Loop web app opens, you're in the right place. Next, choose the workspace that holds the component you want to delete. A workspace is simply a container for pages and content around a project or team. If you have many workspaces, you can scroll through the list or use search to find the one you need. Click your workspace to open it. Inside the workspace, navigate to the page or section where the component lives. Loop components can be things like tables, task lists, or attendee blocks from a meeting plan. Make sure you're looking at the exact component you intend to remove, especially if you have similar items in multiple places. Now, hover your mouse over the component. You should see a small control appear, often a 6-dot handle or a More Options button, near the top left or top right of the component area. In some layouts, especially for attendee lists or meeting components, look for those 6 dots next to the component header. Click the 6-dot control to reveal the context menu. When the menu opens, you may see one option visually highlighted to indicate the current focus. Click the highlighted entry if needed to expand or bring the component options to the front. Then select Delete. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to delete the component. A quick note on what this does. Deleting a Loop component removes it for everyone who shares that component within this page. If that component was embedded elsewhere using the same link, those views will also reflect the deletion. If you only wanted to remove it from one location without deleting the component entirely, you would remove it from that specific page instead of choosing Delete. A few tips before we wrap up. You need edit permission in the workspace or page to delete components. If you deleted the wrong item, use undo right away or press